Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Dydx, Dydx, one of the more serious DeFi protocols out there, and what's going on with it in the market right now. As of the latest data, Dydx is trading around $0.351 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume near $19.2 million. The token is down about 39% in the last day, reflecting mild pullback in what's otherwise a turbulent market. So, why is Dydx down a little today? There are a few possible reasons. One is profit-taking. When a token has gained in previous sessions, some holders often decide to take gains, causing downward pressure. Another is broader market sentiment. When macro conditions or Bitcoin sentiment weaken, many DeFi and alt tokens get dragged down even if their fundamentals are intact. Also, Dydx recently saw a few announcements and protocol shifts that bring uncertainty, such as the migration of Dydx to the native Dydx chain and governance changes, which can create short-term volatility while traders adjust. A few updates and news items are especially relevant. The Dydx Foundation recently relaunched an $8 million ecosystem grants program funded from its community treasury, meant to accelerate infrastructure, research, and growth projects over the next 12 to 18 months. That shows commitment from the core team to build long-term. Also, earlier in the year, the Dydx bridge was fully disabled after governance, completing the migration to the native Dydx chain and removing dependencies on Ethereum. That rollout has consolidated liquidity and governance onto the new chain. Another feature that gets attention is Dydx's buyback program. The protocol has committed to using a portion of its protocol fees, about 25%, to repurchase Dydx tokens in the open market, a mechanism designed to help support token value. Meanwhile, community governance remains active. Recent votes saw 81% of validators approving proposals, which reflects engagement among core participants. Chart watchers also note that Dydx is testing resistance around zones in the 62 cents to 65 cents area. Some analysts believe if volume picks up and sentiment improves, Dydx could try to break higher. If not, support levels near 55 cents to 60 cents may be tested. Looking ahead, Dydx's path depends heavily on adoption of its chain, success of grant-funded initiatives, and how well it can attract liquidity and traders. If many of its funded projects deliver, and its governance and staking systems draw participation, Dydx could push toward $1 plus USD in a bullish cycle. Conversely, if execution lags or market macro turns sour, it may remain range-bound or slip toward its nearest support zones. Dydx is in an interesting phase. It's no longer just a DeFi token, it's part of a full chain migration, grant strategy, and governance experiment. The near-term moves will be messy, but the long game could be compelling if they deliver.